Waking up to the smell of spring flowers is easy, especially when the bouquet is on your nails. I want to get rid of my winter blues. What is this amazing smell? It smells like spring. A blooming tree inspires Lillian. I want everything around me to bloom. And here's Cindy. Today, we'll be doing a fresh spring manicure. Flower nails! Apply translucent purple, pink, and blue nail polish to a press-on nail. Quickly even out the surface. Paint white flowers. Make the center glittery. Add a gold strip on the edge of the press-on nail. Apply a drop of glitter to another press-on nail. Attach a rhinestone to it. Secure the nail art with clear nail polish. Whoa! These flowers are so beautiful! My nails are blossoming with this manicure, just like fruit trees in spring. Hey, can you watch my pet for a minute? Mr. Bunny loves carrots. Something went wrong. Mr. Bunny refuses to eat from my hands. I'll have to trick him. Prime a long press-on nail with white paint. Then paint it orange. Add a carrot pattern with yellow paint. Define the bottom edge of the carrot with brown. Coat it with matte nail polish. Cut a real carrot in half lengthwise. Cut a triangle from a half. Make a hollow at the back of the triangle. Attach a skewer to a press-on nail and stick the nail into the hollow. 1 carrot is good, but 10 carrots are even better. Mr. Bunny approves this message. You can get along with the naughtiest bunny when you have carrot nails. Cindy got carried away with gardening and didn't notice that she ruined her nails. My nail tech Lillian always helps me out. Cindy, put down those garden scissors. No need for extreme measures. Coat a press-on nail with green polish. Apply clear Elmer's glue on top. Sprinkle the nail with artificial moss and press it down. Attach a little decorative bunny to a ring blank. Glue moss to the sides. Now you'll always have a nice green lawn with you. A mini lawnmower is great for this lawn, and the bunny feels like the real Lord of the Rings. Lillian, I'm in a flower mood today. I've got flowers on my dress and in my hair. I just need flowers on my nails. I'll do that for you right now. Coat nails with burgundy nail polish. Attach white nail confetti in the shape of a flower. Glue gold confetti in the center and secure the design with clear nail polish. A perfect manicure with cherry blossoms is done! Cindy got carried away with Easter decorating and got paint on her nails. I need to go see Lillian right now. Cindy is in such a hurry that she broke her Easter eggs. Oh no, what have I done? Now the whole holiday is ruined. Don't worry, I'll create a stress-relieving manicure for you. Coat a press-on nail with white nail polish. Make a little egg from 2 colors of light clay. Attach the egg to the press-on nail and coat it with clear nail polish. Create a pattern with acrylic paint. Make a set of Easter eggs for all your fingers. These little Easter eggs are so cute! The calming manicure puts Cindy back in a good mood. Easter is saved! The blue-eyed girl is pretty hard to please. Ben, what's with this mop? It's cute, but boring. Take it away! This is what's trendy this season. Look, Ben knows how to win a woman's heart with a gift certificate for flower nails. Lillian, can you create an acacia on my nails? Coat press-on nails with yellow nail polish. Sprinkle them with gold glitter. Coat the rest of the nails with beige nail polish. Create an acacia stalk with a thin brush. Apply dots as flowers with yellow gel nail polish and coat with clear nail polish. Apply a new layer of yellow dots after drying and sprinkle with yellow velvet flocking powder. Dry it in a lamp. Remove the excess with a dry brush. Thanks! That's exactly what I wanted! A very bossy client comes to the salon. Move! I don't have a lot of time. Do my nails right now. Coat a press-on nail with white polish. Apply purple polish with a fan brush. Apply stamping paint onto a stamping plate. Remove the excess paint with a scraper. Use a stamp to move the pattern onto the nail. Dry it with a UV lamp. Coat with matte nail polish. The client doesn't even look at her new nails. She is too busy. She knows that Lillian's work is always excellent quality. Ashley is late again. I hope she finishes up at the nail salon soon. But Ashley isn't in a rush. She can talk to Lillian for hours, especially about her new boyfriend. He always brings me fresh flowers. Lillian has a manicure idea. She'll put flowers on Ashley's nails. Coat white press-on nails with clear nail polish and put dried flowers on them. Apply nail polish over the protruding parts to fasten the flowers better. Dry and coat with another layer of nail polish. Dry it with a UV lamp. The boyfriend has been waiting forever, but she isn't here yet. Finally, Ashley shows up. Hi, check out my new nails. It looks like the guy has been waiting for too long. What happened? I was only 5 minutes late. Too bad. Time was dragging way too slowly for me, and these flowers. Aw, man. Dried flowers are only good for nail art. Lillian is doing Ashley's nails and removes a stray thread, but Ashley moves her hand at the wrong time. I'm so sorry. Lillian's hard work is ruined, but a real professional can find a way out of any situation. Apply green, white, and blue gel nail polish onto a thread. Wrap it into a spiral on a yellow press-on nail. Smoothly pull the thread. Move a thin brush over wet polish. Outline flower petals with black paint. Add white details. Gorgeous tropical flowers have bloomed on my client's nails. You don't get flowers anymore? Your personal life is on the line? Are you constantly stressed from doing dishes? And the skin on your hands is screaming for help? Unique and all-natural coconut lotion will save you. Our coconut lotion will perfectly moisturize, nourish, and protect your soft hands. Melt 3½ ounces of shea butter in a microwave. Whip it with a mixer to get a thick white consistency. Add in 1 3/4 ounces of melted coconut oil. Whip it once again and put it into a jar. Treat your hands with this exotic lotion. Whoa! My new lotion is a pure coconut delight. Now my hands can thank me. My new painting is almost done. But the paint ruined my nails. I need to go to the salon. The nail tech will fix it. Apply a few shades of paint to a sponge. Get rid of the excess paint. And color a white press-on nail. Coat it with matte nail polish. Make a gel petal. Dry it with a UV lamp. Make a flower out of petals. Apply some glue to the center of the flowers. Decorate the flower with rhinestones and caviar beads. A manicure perfect for an artist is done! Did you like our nail art ideas? Then comment below which one you'd copy. Will you paint an acacia, make an Easter egg, or grow moss or a carrot on your nails? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new nail art ideas from Troom.